if I have the chance to get away from school, I'll do that. So, but yeah, it's much better out here because nobody I know from school is here. So, new people.
Have new friends, new relationships with everyone. When you weren't going to school during the pandemic, how was lockdown for you?
It was very boring. I didn't really have anybody to talk to.
I am crumpling a leaf, well, 2 leaves. They're like reddy orange leaves, like autumn leaves.
It's a break from normal life and it's good fun. You stop worrying about things that you usually worry about and you're able to just enjoy yourself.
And would you come back, and why?
Yes, I'll definitely come back. All my friends are here and I really like being around you guys.
Well, I think it's the people, mostly, the activities and having the chance to learn new skills and develop the skills and the things that you enjoy.
Lily, clean your room! Lily, put something. But, yeah, please put no pressure on adults.
I can find it quite hard sometimes because I find it quite hard making friends. And don't really have much more to say on that.
It's a lot of fun. Look forward to coming here every morning, even if it means getting up early. Can't wait to get here. But mostly because of you. I love coming here because of you.
So I would love to come to this club again. Yeah, and I would also like if it was a bit more frequent to